Good morning everyone, my name is Samar Sharma, team leader of the Young Ignited Minds, and here's a project for the Toycathon 2021. But before diving into our project, now let me thank Ministry of Education India, All India Council of Technical Education, Ministry of Women and Child Development, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Ministry of MSME, Ministry of Textile, and Ministry of Information and Broadcasting for giving us such a golden opportunity to present our ideas for the Toycathon 2021. A project is a digital and physical toy based on the theme Learning, Education and Schooling. The name of our project and the toy is Holoplex, the hologram projecting device. Holography is the next stage of photography and conventional film, and its three-dimensionality creates entirely new possibility for uses such as project presentation. A 3D hologram displays project presentations, objects and animated sequences three-dimensionally and enables seeming realistic objects or animations to appear to float entirely in free space. Unlike a conventional film, a 3D hologram displays a project or a device or an object from all its sides, which means that an observer can walk around the hologram and observe a realistic looking image to form. For construction, we initially need to sketch a trapezoid on a graph paper of the given mentioned dimensions. As you can see, I have a graph paper and a sketched trapezoid on it. The base of the trapezoid is 12 cm in length, the top is 2 cm and the height, that is the distance between the base and the top, is 8 cm in length. And if we want to construct it on a larger scale, we can consider the same ratio between the base, the top and the height, that is 1:6:4. Now after sketching the trapezoid on a graph paper, we need to trace it on a thin polyester sheet. And here it looks after sketching it on a thin polyester sheet. Now we need to trace it in such a way that it minimizes our efforts and work of cutting it. Now as you can see that I have drawn it in such a way that it minimizes my work of cutting it. Now after tracing it, cutting it and taping all the four sides of the trapezoid together, we get what is called a hologram projecting device, and it looks something like this. Here is a big size and a small one. As you can see that both of the devices are working. Now let me show you how this device works. As you can see that my device is displaying and projecting a two-dimensional image and a video, and the hologram device is converting it into a three-dimensional one, which you can see floating in the air. The hologram projecting device works on a very beautiful and wonderful principle of optics called the reflection of light. All the four faces of the trapezoid acts like a reflector, and they reflect what is being displayed on a smart devices onto an angle of 45 degrees. And this happens with all the four faces, thus creating an illusion which makes the observer believe as if he's seeing a three-dimensional image of an object, whereas the image is a two-dimensional one. The Holoplex is an extremely useful and constructive device in all sectors of the society, ranging from home entertainment to large-scale multimedia sectors, from educating students at school to corporate sector meetings and discussion of projects and presentations. The device is extremely useful in teaching non-technical audience about the new discoveries, innovations and more such thing like that. The device can be used to pleasantly surprise customers, to present products innovatively, to explain technically complex concepts in a more innovative and simpler way. I must say that there is no other technology that manages to present the advantage of a product more effectively like a 3D hologram similarly. Now if I talk how economic this device is, the device is 100% cost free. All that you need is a graph paper, a pencil, a thin polyester transparent sheet and your smart device, and some skills and craftsmanship. Now thank you for giving a patient listening. Now I request you guys to please see some of the clips made by this hologram device. Thank you.